Received more as expected. Bus to Krka Waterfalls was good with breathtaking scenery, and best part was our guide Stefan, who shared info about Croatia on the way. Views at waterfalls was amazing, nature, animals. Went whole route. Also boat to Skradin was amazing with beautiful views and wind breeze. Little town Skradin was nice. Definitely recommend to climb to flag on top of the city. Astonishing view over city can be seen, beach, port, and bridge. All it's surrounded by mountains. Couldn't wait a way back to see all the scenery through bus window, especially coming down a mountain to Split. Stipe is awesome, goes far and above what most tour guides do, gave lots of tips privately via WhatsApp after the tour, which turned out to be some of the highlights of my time in Split. Opted into the wine tasting during the tour and didn't regret it at all. Highly recommend even if you think you don't like wine, this will change your mind. Stipe helped make the tour feel very comfortable and engaging with lots of local knowledge. Thanks Stipe. A fantastic experience. Absolutely gorgeous. There's an additional charge of 15 students/children and 30 adults for entry. The wine tasting is 17 per adult, which we highly recommend if you haven't pre-booked it. 4 delicious glasses in a charming setting with lovely staff, approximately 1 hour. It was a wonderful day. We left around 9 a.m. and returned to Split around 4:30 p.m. Very well laid out, original, but be careful with the price and check it beforehand. Free parking. The only problem is the organization of the return bus service. There are 2 bus parking areas. The shuttle parking area is downstairs but not very well signposted, but I'm nitpicking because it's part of my job. A must-see. An easily accessible location, just an hour from Split by bus. A truly beautiful and magnificent place where I also proposed. The paths are well maintained and easy to navigate. A visit takes a maximum of 1 hour, followed by a free 25-minute boat trip to a beach where swimming is permitted. An amazing trip with beautiful views. Even the drive there in the bus was spectacular. I spent the first part of the day walking around the national park, and then swam in the waterfall pools after. Lovely day out and met some nice people there as I was traveling alone. A lovely excursion with very friendly guides. We really appreciated having free time in the park and not being stuck in a large tour group, as the park is already quite crowded. It was also great that the bus driver dropped us off near our accommodation on the way back. Great day but very busy. Between getting to National Park, then seeing the waterfalls, and then getting the boat over to go to the wine tasting, you feel like you don't stop. However, it is so well run and clear, it just helps see more of Croatia quicker. Boat trip for about an hour's river tour. Magnificent and peaceful scenery. Arrival at the waterfalls, a very touristy spot, so it's not easy to find a place to lay down your towel for a swim, but apart from that, an incredible place. We had a busy tour with Steven. There was lots of people in the park, so it made it hard to walk around. If you want to enjoy the park, I would not do the wine tasting. We did the wine tasting and had excellent service, I recommend. Stipe was the best. Left a bunch of tips and gave us excellent free time to explore Krka and Skradin, the beach town next to Krka. Boat tour included. Make sure to explore Skradin and bring something for the beach.